All right, this is my blue Datsun 240Z 1973 LS1 swapped with a T56 6-speed manual transmission married to an R200 open differential yet built. So if you're watching this, that means I've likely sold a Z, and this is sort of your user's manual for the car. Now I'll start with the outside. First, we've got the doors. The doors have a custom quote-unquote door card. It's really just the OEM door cards with the vinyls over it. I installed some weather stripping here that sort of gets in the way of the door closing. So you'll notice that right here, it's really only secured by the window lever and the actual door pull itself, as well as this lock button. So when you close the door on the driver's side, it may not close all the way. What I do is I just keep my hand on it. Don't have to push it very hard, just keep your hand on it. The passenger side is much easier, no issues really there. Just give it a nice solid swing and it'll close completely. Nice solid clunking sound. All right, so that's the doors. The trunk. To open the trunk, we're just gonna press this down until it clicks. And the hydraulic piston will open the trunk. Now, if you notice that this button or this cylinder sticks, you can just give it a little knock to pop it out. Let me see if I can get it to stick. Well, I can't get it to stick, but sometimes it'll stay stuck. If it does stay stuck, you won't be able to close the trunk, so just give it a little thud and it'll pop back out. But that rarely happens, just in case it does. So this is the trunk. To close the trunk is pretty self-explanatory. Now moving into the car, we've got the hood release. For the hood release, we're gonna stick our hands here. There is a pull button. You're gonna wanna depress that and lift up. I'll show you what that looks like exactly. This is what we're pulling on. So we're gonna pull it and lift up. And then when we're closing the hood as well, we want to make sure that we're pulling that again and then pressing down. Show you one more time. We're gonna pull this as we push the trunk or the hood down, and we just need it to click. And once it clicks, you can push it down all the way. You don't have to do that in two motions. You could have just done it in one, but just to show you how it works.